today. Wow, this is harder than I thought. Do I at least look like Bonnie B, Sally? You look just like her.
Actually, it really is me. So, that door with the broken latch was shut, and now we're locked in the control room.
But, Miss Bonnie B, how will you do the news?
I'm not gonna do it. You are.
Pete, what? No, we can't do that.
She's right. We can't do that.
Pete's right. You want to be a newscaster, Callie? This is your big chance. Yes, but I said that before I knew everything that went into it. All the preparation, and the makeup, and the control room.
Just report what you know.
But I can't do what you do. I'm not Bonnie B. I'm just me.
Callie, it's not about being me. It's about being you and having confidence in yourself. As long as you remember that you can take things one step at a time, there's nothing you can't do.
Okay, so if I'm gonna do this, then I'm gonna need to combine my love of performing with my love of organizing. Emma, can you do costumes and makeup?
But of course.
Alright, now, who's gonna tell the cameras what to do?
I can do it. I've seen them do it 100 times.
Aw, I've always wanted to direct, but who called it first?
Thanks, Grumpy. You can do the sports.
Oh, like on camera?
Yes. Now, Pete and Gus, would you like to run the cameras for Boo?
With pleasure.
Awesome. Wait, what's the news for today, Bonnie B?
Well, we were going to do a piece about the geopolitical landscape of the Greater Cat City and historic Leesburg Metroplex.
And this is why I feel unprepared for the task at hand. Right? The only landscape I know about is the park. Thinking caps. Great idea, Pete. Sally is right. We don't know about that stuff, but we do know about the park. And there's a new playground in the park. I'll cover that. Okay, Grumpy, what have you got on the sports?
I guess I could talk about volleyball or no rules tag. Maybe?
Check!